Welcome back to my channel. When it comes to creating meals that are both nutritious and delicious, it's essential to choose ingredients that serve our health and taste buds. The spinach and feta stuffed chicken is a recipe that hits all these notes, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes and anyone interested in healthy eating. This dish combines lean protein, leafy greens, and a hint of creamy cheese, offering a balanced meal that is low in carbs and high in essential nutrients. Why this recipe is beneficial for diabetics and healthy eaters. Low in carbohydrates. Managing carbohydrate intake is crucial for diabetics. This recipe is low in carbs, which helps in maintaining blood sugar levels. High in protein. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. It also helps in satiety, reducing the overall calorie intake. Rich in vitamins and minerals, spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like iron and magnesium, which are vital for overall health. Healthy fats, olive oil and feta cheese provide healthy fats that are good for heart health and help in the absorption of vitamins. Ingredients: for the chicken, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the stuffing, 2 cups fresh spinach chopped, out-of-cup feta cheese crumbled, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup red onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. For garnish, optional, fresh lemon wedges, a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley. Preparation instructions: 1. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures the oven reaches the right temperature for cooking the chicken evenly. 2. Prepare the chicken. Lay each chicken breast flat on a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut a pocket into the side of each breast, ensuring you do not cut all the way through. Season the inside and outside of the chicken with salt and pepper. 3. Make the stuffing. In a medium bowl, combine the chopped spinach, crumbled feta, minced garlic, chopped red onion, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Stuff the chicken. Spoon the spinach and feta mixture into each chicken breast evenly. If necessary, you can use toothpicks to secure the openings. 5. Cook the chicken. Heat olive oil in a large oven-proof skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the stuffed chicken breasts and sear each side for about 3-4 minutes until golden brown. This process helps in locking the flavors inside. 6. Bake. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 20-25 minutes, or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked and the juices run clear. 7. Garnish and serve. Remove the chicken from the oven, let it rest for a few minutes, and then remove any toothpicks if used. Serve the chicken with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for added flavor and a vibrant presentation. The spinach and feta stuffed chicken not only offers a feast for your taste buds, but also provides a host of health benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes or watching their health closely. Its combination of low-carb, high-protein, and nutrient-rich ingredients makes it a smart choice for a fulfilling meal that doesn't compromise on flavor or health. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. See you in the next video.